Cordless Angle Grinder Reviews for the best cordless angle grinder to buy. Features of the bare tool Milwaukee 2680-20 grinder. Overload protection prevents damage. L-shaped vents keep debris. Tool-free, burst-resistant guard. Easy to access and actuate tool-free guard. Paddle switch design. Up to 35% faster cutting speed. Up to 50% more cuts on a single charge. 3-position side handle. Works with M18 high-capacity lithium-ion batteries. Features of the Porter Cable Bare Tool PC188G Cordless Angle Grinder. High-torque 18V motor produces 8,500 RPM. Cast metal gear housing. Ergonomic soft grip handle with trigger guard. 3-position adjustable side handle. Spindle lock feature. Battery type, Li-ion and Ni-CD. Battery and charger sold separately. Features of the Makita BGA452Z 18-volt cordless cut-off/angle grinder. Makita built motor delivers 10,000 RPM. Built-in LED protection circuit with over torque control protects. 12-1/2 inches long and only 5.0 lbs weight. Soft grip handle. 18-volt LXT battery, sold separately, and charges in only 30 minutes. Slide switch with lock-on. Equipped with star protection computer controls. 3-year warranty on tool. Features of the Dewalt DCG412B, 20V4 and 1/2 inch grinder. 7,000 RPM motor provides significant power. Quick change wheel. Tool-free guard. Includes 5 inches by 1/4 inch T27 metal grinding wheel. Ideal for electricians, mechanical contractors, ironworkers. Compatible with these batteries, DCB200, DCB201. Compatible with these chargers, DCB101, DCB119, DCB103. 3-year limited warranty and 1-year free service. Features of the Dewalt Bare Tool DC411B 18-volt cordless grinder. 6,500 RPM provides high power. 2-position side handle. Quick change wheel release. Low profile, jam pot gear case. Compatible with these batteries, DC9096, DC9180. Compatible with these chargers, DCB103, DW9117, DC9310, DC9319, DC9320, DC012. Full 1-year service contract and 3-year limited warranty.